Hello my dear friends. Hello again. Today is Friday 3rd July 2015 and I am at home on our backyard on my deck, and I would like to recite for you 3 of my tanka poems, and I hope that you love it. The first one is the most important for me because it's something that is telling you about my philosophy of life, my understanding of living the moment. So his title is Now. Now, this crystal clear moment in little sparks, when present shapes the future with us. The next one tanka, it's about my horoscope sign, my stellar sign. His name is Sign Aqua. Sign Aqua over deep waters. The new silver moon wearing my dream stands by your side. And the last one, it's about feelings. When the stars are bright, nobody knows but you. This feeling of touching light burning us in the same way. Thank you very much. I love you. Thank you.